Hello! If you like HTML, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will share an idea of how to use it by animating race cars in an infinite loop as easy as 1, 2, 3. One such trick in HTML now is called Animate Motion. Those familiar with Flash will remember this as the motion guide. Firstly, what is Animate Motion? The SVG Animate Motion element provides a way to define how an element moves along a motion path. This is the code for animating cars with HTML and SVG. The first thing to look at is the G tag element with the id of track lines. This is the yellow dashed line that represents the path the car will follow. You'll also see another G tag element with the id of pink car. Within this group is the animate motion element. It has an attribute of the path. The numbers used to form this path are the same as the numbers that form the track lines. An animate motion element is invisible, and its only purpose is to provide a path for an element to follow. Speaking of which, below the animate motion element is another path element. This is the pink car, and it will follow the path of its nearest neighbor. The output of the code is as follows. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you.